As promised, we have the management of Blue Star. That stock is in focus. We want to discuss a whole host of factors. One being, is there any impact in terms of the rupee depreciation? What's the impact in terms of the aftermath of the Kerala floods, and also the outlook for FY19? We have Mr. Thiagarajan, the Joint MD, who joins us on the phone line all the way from France. Hi, Mr. Thiagarajan. Thanks so much, sir, for joining in. The rupee is really the big topic, so I just want to start off on that front. How does it impact your business? Do you import anything that's dollar denominated? Do you have some exports as well that you can gain out there? Just your analysis in terms of the rupee depreciation and how it will impact your business.
Good afternoon. It is wonderful talking to you. The summer season was bad, so the industry carried a huge inventory, at least inventory for 3 to 4 month period. In our case also, we have been carrying inventory. Therefore, as far as room air conditioners are concerned, it's a blessing in disguise that the material that we bought there when the dollar was somewhere around rupees 65 or something like that. But for other businesses are concerned, it is a matter of worry. So we have been hedging, so we are protected for next 45 days or something like
Mr.
that.
Mr. Thiagarajan, sir, out of your total raw material requirement, how much of it is imported?
In case of room air conditioners, it may be to the tune of around 60% because the compressors they import.
So 60% of your raw material requirements are imported, which will be negatively impacted on account of rupee depreciation.
In the case of room air conditioners, but if you take other products, it may not be that much. It should be to the extent of around 30% or so. But we carried excess inventory, or rather the summer season was bad, and autumn season was a washout, you can imagine that, and the market is doing well in the past 2-3 months, but still the inventory will last till October. In the meanwhile, the steps that are taken are few. One, we have been hedging. Two, we have an offset to the extent of the export to the tune of around rupees 500 to 600 crores, and therefore to some extent there will be compensation there.
Okay.
The third one is that whichever import is coming from China, it will be in Chinese yuan or RMB. So to that extent, because that is holding, that is not depreciating against rupee. Rightly the price increase should have taken place in the month of July. It didn't take place because of the inventory. Right now, I think we will be compelled to increase the prices at least from month of October.
By how much?
It will depend on various product categories. Like, for example, in the refrigeration products, it may be to the tune of around 5% or so. Okay. In room air conditioners, it will be to the tune of around 4 to 5%.
All right.
So this is what will happen.
Okay. Mr. Thiagarajan, so if you could tell us net the impact of the rupee depreciation on the company in the quarter that we are currently in, taking into account the excess inventory which you had bought when the rupee was at 65. Taking all these factors into account, if you could tell us in the coming quarter, the quarter that we're in, roughly what the impact will be on the company.
The first is with regard to the revenue. The good news is that the consumer spending continues to be healthy. I expect the room air conditioners market to grow by at least 10%. In our case, I think we will grow the revenue there by around 15% because we have been doing better than the market all along.
Okay.
In refrigeration products, there has been a healthy growth of around 15% in revenue. That will continue. In case of electromechanical projects, the market is showing signs of great revival. The inquiry levels are high, order finalization speed is very healthy. These are air conditioning, plumbing and electrification related projects. I think this is going to be a good year for that business too. Now, coming to the margins, I had indicated that in case of cooling products, it is not due to dollar alone. Also, the commodity prices other than copper, I think we will be around 150 to 200 basis points drop in margins will be there.
Okay.
The other measures that are being taken to mitigate this are certain value engineering, renegotiation, and the product portfolio adjustment.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Thiagarajan, sir, for stopping by and speaking to us all the way from France. But we need to come back to our own markets then.